Hello, I am Sigmund Linux. I am here with breaking news. Bernie Sanders has become the president, making him the first monkey president since Uga Khan in 4000 BC. In other news, the army of monkey is taking over Mexico. Their demands are unknown. Yes, now I have become the president. Hello, Bernie Monkey. Donald Trump, what are you doing here? I am going to eat a magical watermelon, and then I will kill you and become the new president. No, Trump, do not eat that watermelon. Look for that now, Bernie. Whoa, Trump Caterpillar! Trump Caterpillar, whoa! Whoa, Trump Caterpillar. You see, Bernie, I too have become a funny animal. Now I will kill you. Greetings, gentlemen. Obama, what are you doing here? Donald Trump, you have said the N-word without a proper N-word pass. Now you shall be killed. No, there is no Trump where I am someone else. Nice try, Trump, but you won't trick me this time. Trump is dead. I appreciate your services, Obama.
So let me be clear.